Today we start a 10-week series of short videos on leadership challenge in the era of AI. They will discuss the 10 major challenges for leaders connected with the rapidly implementation of AI tools in their organization. Ready to tackle one of the hottest leadership challenges today? Welcome to the world of AI ethics. We all know that AI is revolutionizing the way we work and live. It's providing us with solutions to some of the most complex problems and helping us make better decisions. But as we become more reliant on AI, it's essential to ensure that we implement this technology responsibly and ethically at all levels. Why? Because it's not just about being more efficient. It's also about being better leaders who prioritize human engagement in a world increasingly dominated by technology as the only way to have a smooth integration between AI and people in the workplace. So how can you, as a leader, do this in the age of AI? Here are 3 actionable steps. The first is about developing AI ethics guidelines. First and foremost, establish a clear set of AI ethics guidelines for your organization. This should include guiding principles and values that help your teams make ethical decisions when working with AI. It's crucial to involve diverse stakeholders, including employees from different departments and external experts, to ensure comprehensive guidelines that are adaptable and relevant. Second approach refers to adopting an AI ethics mediator. In a world where AI is increasingly present, it's essential to have a dedicated individual who can impartially oversee ethical issues related to the AI within your organization. An AI ethics mediator, a fairly novel role at this stage, can serve as a point of contact for employees to voice concerns, report unethical AI practices, or seek guidance on ambiguous situations. This individual should be well-versed in both AI and ethics and have the autonomy to make unbiased decisions in the best interest of your organization and its stakeholders. Third idea relates to the celebration and rewarding ethical innovation within your organization. Recognize employees who demonstrate a commitment to developing AI solutions that are not only efficient, but also compassionate and inclusive. By putting the spotlight on ethical AI, you will encourage more employees to adopt responsible AI practices and create a ripple effect throughout your organization. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to be easy. It's a journey that requires constant learning, reflection, and adaptation. But by taking the moral high ground in AI ethics and leadership, you will not only create a more ethical and responsible organization, but also foster a healthier, more human-centric work environment. I hope you found this short video on empathy and leadership insightful and thought-provoking. And if you want to stay informed on this topic, click on subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn to be part of a community that is driving positive change in the way we lead. Thank you for watching and for your continued support.